See him the peeps? Monster.
Yeah. Yeah, leg out, you know, same.
Big crab, you know? Big man. Yeah, man.
So I go on. You can run but you can't hide. You run but you can't hide, but I mean you sit and slide.
Top of the morning, my wonderful viewers and subscribers. Outside again for another beautiful adventure. Yeah, man. Know what we're upon today? They're on some crab hunting in the peeps. Yeah, man, you know the season will come in, but we are doing it, you see me? Yeah, man, peeps, so see it there? So natty bag them. You see me? You know me I come near the seaside, so I no left my rod when I go nowhere near seaside. Not here you put the box there, so. Yeah, man. So peeps, see it there? Yeah, man. Remember when we come down here so the last time and we say we are going to attack them. So see King of Crab here. Yeah, man, Natty King.
Yeah, man, bless up.
Yeah, man, I want to hold him back on the fishing adventure to you know people, isn't it? So.
And them only are dangerous.
Yeah, man.
Not captains.
So yeah, I say to you people, them Natty, can you not talk to your viewers and subscribers, them, you know?
Here we are, you know. And let's talk and work, work.
Work, yeah, go work.
And we know your skirt.
Alright then. So peeps, you hear the man say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, so without a delay, you see Natty start dig already, you know? So you pass them hole and Natty. No hole them here. Then start dig up already, you know, man. One man can do them thing I'm gonna see in a peeps, the Crab King himself, you know. Yeah, grab off of him.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, man, miss people. Me miss look while Natty joke that one here, you know, man.
You worry.
You see me give worries but Natty get him out, you know? Yeah, man. So one hole, one crab, you know? Yeah, man. And to our next hole, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, so Natty King on the move. That to drop down in our hole. Come on, peeps, see him come there. Yeah. See him the peeps? And remember, you know, peeps, you can't make no order, you know. This is what Natty do, you know.
King of Crab.
King of Crab, you know.
This is the road, see that? Fear. That's all.
Yeah man, so this is what happened before crab season. So peeps, you have to always respect a man with good pan what him do. You see what I say? Not to that. We got 3 crab already. Out of 3 hole, you know? Yeah man, so you just have to lift up your hat to a man with good pan what him do. You see me, so we are going to attack with 4 hole now, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, 4 hole. See it, yeah? We in our open land. You get what I say? Sea is a bit rough. But we're out here, man. The whole look like it out of the world, you know, not you have to left that in.
Tell me why you that.
So I have to tell you why you that. Well, they look well deep, Natty King. And you know, so I'm grabbing peeps. Talk the truth, what a man skill, man. King of crab. Jesus, peace. Watch out, peeps. Another nice one, no? Ah, man himself. What you say, 4 dozen quick?
Action.
Alright, peeps. Them are the left hand crab, them, you know. No, right hand this. See, him bigger paw, are the right one, so I'm a right hand crab, you know? Yeah man peeps, I'm make him go straight in the bag. Go meet him friend them. Ah. So I go on peeps. Show me a fair hold there. Camera with one hand. And then again. We have to, now we have to put him in our bag same time. So see me peeps, live and direct, you know, mud crab them in the peeps, you see me? Yeah man peeps, so we're there in another hole, you see me? Great Natty King, as you see, king of crab. Who can beat him? Comment and tell me if you don't know about the skill like him, peeps. Yeah, man. You say you feel peace of him? Natty King at them, you know, peeps. You hear me telling you? Natty mine a mongoose or that, you know, man. If you can. Mine a mongoose or that, man. That's too big, man. Yeah man peeps, I'm going to show you something, you know. See this here? Crab poop, you know? So from you see this, it's a evidence crab there, you know? Yeah man, see all over there, so I'm going to show you not it. So that yeah man. Yeah man peeps, and look here. Look how much evidence there on top of this hole. Fresh. And you see it peeps? Some monster one this, you know. But them money are big. I guess say it's a big nail crab this peeps. Would the mind not could have find him, you know? Yeah man, would the mind. See it there and burst to the top. You know meanwhile I dig him a sink himself down in the mud. That would look massive, man. No, sir. Problem all this natty. That hole there go buck. That hole there go down the wire. But you feel him natty? What? Right there, natty. Whoa, what me telling you, peeps? Jesus. Look there. My God. Look what Natty let happen, man. This is a monster, you know, peeps. Jaja. Look there. Look at that, man. Take him up with the people them see him. Peeps, but they tell you, you know, say once you see them size poop here, you know where you go. It's a big crab. The man them here well solid, you know. If we cut off all of this, so we'd get him out without any claw pop off, you know. Yeah man, peeps, see it there? Ah, Natty! Yes, Natty. Hold the bag. Natty cover up well. Look at the size of this. Plus the claw. Natty the king of crab, man. Yeah man, king himself, you know. You see how huge him be, peeps? Look there. Jesus. Right. You hard than a broad. King himself. Who can do this and beat Natty? No one. Tell them to run out. That is it, you know, man, peeps. Where? Where? What that name, so? Yeah, peeps, buck a hole, massive. Come like and come up so easy. It's a man roll. Yeah man, all them people ain't see me and Natty King. Yeah man, see the peeps? Another massive one, you know? Yeah man. Call them a sawyers, you know? See back there, a bill up peeps, yeah. Yeah man. King of crab. Natty King.
Ah, there I go home.
Yes, there I go home, my boss. Yeah man. So I go on peeps. Yeah man, look at the size of these old peeps. Without a doubt, them all are massive. Massive, massive, massive. And if you done a king of crab a bust no sweat, you bust no sweat, my general. So easy juggling. Get a firm hold upon him now. Incline, you know. And let it go. Ah. Dang peeps. See him come out here. Yeah man, see him there. Active, you know peeps. Yeah man, he lose a couple toe but you know. Yeah man peeps, so I go on down in a bag there so far. Over half dozen, you know. Yeah, do it man.
Come up.
One king of crab, you know. Yeah man peeps, another massive hole this, you know. A hole here big. Yeah man.
Alright.
If you take out that one here,
Yeah.
we and the people them have a crown and give a crown. And until somebody else show up. People in here you feel like you feel them, you know. Anytime you hear him so confident. Yeah. Hips is a massive hole, man. See it there? You don't think a joke? See it there? Yeah man, so we see what you might deal with that now. Hold him already, man. Don't make him leg of that party. Oh. One point up. This is our feet, man, one. My move slippery peeps. Ah.
What you say?
What you say, King?
What you say?
The real front teeth, gold teeth, than dog.
Active. Breathe easy.
Breathe easy.
We say king of crab.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See one and two of them, you know see him? I know he no moving the same way. Not here, yeah, he no good, man. You see him? Like he move. Eh? He gone, man, you step on it. Top of the hole. You have to go dig him out. Yeah man, the greater Natty King. He no get fi knock him look a while, so him have to search for him, you know. Run gone in a hole if nothing out of that.
If you can send the wire gillies in here.
It's no easy, nothing. Run gone in a hole. So you can't catch him.
You can not catch him in the middle.
Come on. Thinking could have get to enough peeps. But he make a mistake. Come right a whole look while. My move so hard. Big man. A big crab, you know. Big man. Yeah, man.
So I go on. You can run but you can't hide. You run but you can't hide, man. I mean you sit and slide. Yeah. Live, it's live. Just give a view span it, you know. I'm big up the thing, you know, 'cause I know it already. King and crab are live. I will not tell lie.
Yeah, man. So, Natty I go spear him now, you know, peeps. See? You get it, man. You get it. You get it, you get it, you get it. You know get it, you know? You get it? Yeah, man. Eh? Yeah, man. You get it. That's when me a shoot. Out of there, out of there. You say if me a shoot, you would get it? That is if me a shoot. And if I first female, male again.
King of crab.
Oh, they must send not to.
Where them come and dead? They in them bed. They must sleep or they in them bed.
Another nice one, you know.
Right.
Meal again, you know.
Yeah, man.
One meal. Time I sit down there so small, so peeps. That me attack right here, so.
My rape the crab, you know what?
Meal. Yes, a man rape. A man crab that bad.
We couldn't tell her.
Yeah, man. So, Natty pounds up on another one in a shooting range. So, get it in a peep, me see spear rock, you know. seam peeps. See spear move? Come on. Look at it, get him out, you know? Peeps, you wanna find your sinker. No good though. Bring him up, Natty. They're on the road. Alright, another nice one in lose a claw. Whoa. Another nice claw this in a peeps, you see it? Yeah man, nice again, you know? That's how him da look, you know? So I go out back and get fat down, peeps. Yeah.
When then they there. I hope Dan see this, you know. Dan active, I see him to see the Dan. So if it's down here, I'll say I go still.
Yeah man, I just Dan say no believe you could have catch nothing.
Yeah. Yo, we are warm up.
Yeah.
But I know it's not normal, man.
And so, yeah man, peeps. So, here we go on now. We are go over the next side over there. So what me I go do? Put the bag here up and take up our next bag, you know? Yeah man. Wow, peeps, and look at me right when I get for yours. My God. Yeah man, so I'm gonna see what go on for that bag there. Yeah man, one bag there, so you see me? So reach your next bag. See what I go on done. Yeah man peeps, so it's an action fill. I nah lie, I love how Natty pull them out. And you don't know no crab season yet, plus you don't know the ground kinda tough. So some of the hole them you have to left them because the dirt over them thick. So it's hard to dig with the machete, but honestly, he might go on good. Yard and a broad, and show him respect, man. King of crab him name, you know. Me nah take that from him. You see me? So people, keep it locked, man. Next segment, we are go over on the next side, go see what go on. Heart of love, man, yard and abroad. Outside. Not thinking of your real crab bag this, man. Think of crab. Eh? Yeah, man. Not the pounds up on the next hole. Like you hold him to, you know, peeps. Easy like Sunday morning. Yeah, man. I'm going to get to Natty. Ma come. Look big door. I'm not seeing it. It's just the size of the whole thing. No, sir. Boy, you not big. You see how you put. Be a boy.
Okay, no, I don't know. That's it. So, where am I coming from, peeps?
Down in the mud, you know.
We in the mud, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, mud.
So, first one we strike on the side there, you know, people. That's it. Come on. Original mud crab. Yeah, man.
Yeah, crab. That's what John will do again.
Hmm?
That's what John will do. Go over that bush for a soft a little end. Look up more and every day. That's right. Wally power.
You start to work already, man. Like him left out and no come back.
Dirt. Dirt, we're digging.
Drop them in the hole. Even that you feel look right. Eh?
Dirt, why I can't go down the house over there. Big one.
It's a really pack. Where I call, you know, struggles in this work here, you know, peeps. That's the General Gar Road. Yeah, you ask him price. You have to complain, you know.
Look, here, cover him up. Can't reach him up the way. See? Can't watch.
You not the king of it again. Yeah, man, you see how far in there, man. Again. Go and go tell your family, go tell your friend. Again. Again. I got a nice size one. Whoa, I see big paw. Yeah, man, I see big paw and big, man. Nothing big, you know. See big paw there. You're hooking me right here, man. Come up. And turn past way. Jesus. Sure.
You there?
So I see big paw and up here. Oh, I see him all. I'm jumping again. What do I do, man? Look at the hole that we jumping at peeps. So I go see the hole, see the hole there. Watch out, peeps. Another huge one, you know. Jaja know, see him there?
Boy, we are going to find a different place.
Alright. Not to put them in our bag.
So we are the power. See down here. Come up. Come on too far. Yeah. Yeah. Active.
Active, not the king.
What does that say now? Put it on the cardboard, man.
Tear it out now and put it on the cardboard now. Yeah, man, peeps, so. You don't know a thing. Go throw them out in one bag now. Yeah, wait till I reach. Yeah, man, peeps. Don't know a thing go. So, we not go on too bad down here, so we are going move go up the line to a different location, so you don't know, you know, yard and abroad, you know. Just go and keep it locked, you know, you see it? Yeah, man. Senator King?
Yes, sir. Up on a location, none of us are dirt tough, and the water the fire on the hole, so we have a more easier place, you know. So the hole is easier to dig out, you know. Have to.
Alright, my boss. Go and do your thing, you hear me, General? Alright.
Selfish, I want you all to myself.